Welcome back to Legacy Contracts, and if this is your first time here, we're glad you found us. This channel exists for attorneys who sense that something beneath the surface of their firm isn't quite working, even if it's hard to name. Here, we look beyond surface-level efficiency and into the invisible systems shaping how your firm operates, serves clients, and sustains growth. Through practical insight and honest conversation, we help bring clarity to what's often overlooked, so you can lead with intention, not assumption. If you're interested in building a law firm that's not just functional, but thoughtfully designed, you're in the right place. Let's begin. Many law firm leaders struggle with the same tension. They want to stay aware of what is happening inside the firm, but they do not want to micromanage their team. So they increase oversight, more updates, more approvals, more check-ins, and yet visibility still feels incomplete. The reason is simple: oversight is not the same as visibility. Oversight means monitoring activity. Visibility means understanding how work actually moves through the firm. When a structure lacks visibility, leadership becomes the place where information gathers. Questions return to the partner. Should we move forward with this? Who should handle the next step? Do you want to review this before it goes out? Individually, these questions are small, but together they create a constant operational pull. This is where micromanagement often begins, not because a leader wants control, but because the system does not clearly show what is happening. Structural visibility solves a different problem. Instead of increasing supervision, it allows the system itself to communicate movement. For example, every matter should have a visible stage in its lifecycle. Every stage should have a clear owner. And escalation should happen only at defined moments. When these elements exist, leadership no longer has to hold every thread. The structure begins to carry information on its own. Teams gain clarity about what happens next. Partners gain the ability to step back without losing awareness. This becomes especially important as firms grow. Growth increases the number of interactions happening inside the firm. Without structural visibility, those interactions remain invisible until strain appears. Later this spring, we will explore how structural visibility protects leadership bandwidth and prevents decision bottlenecks inside law firms in a deeper legacy contract session. But for now, the question worth asking is simple. Where inside your firm does leadership step in? Not because the decision requires it, but because the structure never made the path visible. We hope today's insight helped bring clarity to something that may have been operating quietly in the background of your firm. Progress doesn't always start with doing more, it often starts with seeing more clearly. Law firms aren't built overnight. They're shaped by the decisions you make once the invisible becomes visible. This is Legacy Contracts. Until next time, keep leading with clarity.